Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with a crafting quilting video, you guys. So this is a show and tell, and this is what I have been working on for the last week or so. And what I decided to do, you guys, was make runners. Now, I had started my runner tops a couple of weeks back, and then I realized that I had enough of my charm packs to make pillows. So when you get a charm pack, and I'm going to break the fabrics down for you guys, when you get a charm pack, you can actually get three pillows and a runner out of just a 42 piece charm pack. So this runner over here does not have matching pillows, and as you can see, it's a very, very long runner, a very, very nice centerpiece to put on a table, on a dresser, and like on a china cabinet inside. You can use it like so as well. Y'all see how long it is? Okay, and all of them is that length. They all made the same way, and this is called the zigzag runner, and these are made with charm packs. All right, so this is the other set right here. This beautiful, beautiful fuchsia purple, and this is the backing of it. Okay, and that's that cathedral window. But let me show you guys this, because I don't know how this turned out. I wound up with 5 windows on this pillow and 4 windows on that pillow. Don't ask me how that happened, because I do not know, but overall they still came out nice. So that is this one here, and this is the same as that one over here. Now, when you are making runners and you're dealing with charm packs, and you will learn this as you continue to sew and learn fabrics and different things, pay attention to your placement. So this one, I actually kind of finessed it and went outside the regular way of doing it and created these points on each end. So you can see this is different from this one. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. I have to, I'm going to have to figure out if I can find the name of this fabric, because this fabric is so, so pretty. So pretty. I got to find out the designer. All right, you guys. So this is what I have been working on, and I started my tops some time back, and I just had them pressed and hung up, and I said, let me get these things done. Sometimes I get in my lazy mode where I just create tops and don't quilt them right away. And what happened was I didn't feel like bringing down that daggone batting, that big thing of batting. So I got lazy and I just started creating tops. So this is one of the tops that that is not quilted yet. And here's another one that's not quilted yet. And when I tell y'all, tops are very easy to make. The work comes in piecing them together and quilting. And I'm going to probably finish those maybe the weekend. Okay, so let's get over here. Let's talk about fabric, you guys. All right, let's talk about some fabrics. Let's talk about fabrics. So remember when I was saying that a charm pack makes these, right? So a charm pack consists of 40, I think it's 42 pieces, 5 by 5. So that is your charm pack. So out of this one pack, which usually costs between, I would say, $10 and $12. Y'all see that? You can get a runner and 3 pillows out of this. Okay? That's really good. Now, as far as your backing, you will have to get backing. So this is another charm pack, which I'm going to make some pillows out of this one too. And I'm sure I'm going to do the pinwheel as well as this fabric, which is really pretty. This is by Laundry. What is her name? Goodness gracious. My mind went blank. I'll be doing so much stuff. Y'all know Essie mind always go blank. Edita. There it is right there. She is an awesome quilter. When I tell you, she's a piecer. She loves to piece little tiny pieces, and she's excellent with her in embroidery as well. So I love her fabric line. Okay, so those are charm packs. All right, and you guys want to zoom in on them. Okay, so over here we have our layer cakes. I love layer cakes too. Now they call these pre-cuts, and when you purchase pre-cuts, you can purchase them by yard, by fat quarters, by layer cakes, jelly rolls, or charm packs. And you can actually get even smaller charm packs, which they call them they're just smaller charms. In the quilting world, they are named something else, but what the smaller charms are cut in half, in quarters. So they'll be about this size. Okay, and you could do a lot with the little ones too. So back to the layer cakes. I love layer cakes because you can make a quilt out of one pack of layer cakes, which is 10 by 10s. And what I love about layer cakes is most of the time when you buy them, there are diagrams on the back on how to cut your layer cakes and create multiple blocks. Okay, so out of this one pack, you get 10-inch layer cakes, and it's usually like 42, 43. You may end up with 43, but usually it's 42. Okay, so I love layer cakes too, because you can make a nice size quilt, like a twin size. They say usually if you want a twin, 1 pack. If you want full, 2 packs. If you want queen, 3, and kings and Cali kings, 3 to 4 packs, and you'll get you a nice size quilt. But even with this 1 pack, you'll get a nice size quilt. All right, over here with jelly rolls. This is what they call jelly rolls, and I love jelly rolls. Jelly rolls are so much fun, and these are 2.5-inch strips, and you usually get, let me see, it's usually, okay, 40 pieces. This 1 pack of jelly roll strips will give you a nice size quilt as well. The quilting world loves jelly rolls. I love them. They're so much fun to work with. And I promise you guys, I am getting to those videos for you guys. But I just need you guys to be patient with SC, okay? I'm going to get them out, you guys. Just be patient with me, okay? So that is your jelly roll there. And then we're going to talk about, let me push this back. Now we're going to talk about fat quarters. Okay, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, family, Esikhomesteddah is back. I apologize for that interruption. Okay, so I think I left off on showing you guys the variety of pre-cuts that you can purchase at most quilting fabric stores. You will definitely have a variety of fabrics, different designers. You will have so many choices that you'll be overwhelmed. And I think I left off on my fat quarter packs, which is a beautiful collection of greens, and I cannot wait to bust this open. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this, but it'll be something fun. And this is a type of cut that you can get where you'll get multiple fat quarters. This pack actually has 20 in there, and these can go as high as 45 pieces to 50 pieces. Prices will vary on your fat quarters. Okay, and also your layer cakes, your jelly rolls usually run about 30. You can get jelly rolls for $25, but they can go as high as $42. The same with your layer cakes, depending on the designer, depending on where you purchase. Your charm packs are usually between I would say $10 and $12, but you can also get these as low as $5 if there is a sale. So keep in mind of that. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little update on things that I have been working on and kind of break down the different types of fabrics when you are purchasing in the quilting world and what you can get out of each package. So I will definitely finish a couple of more of these runners with my charm packs and also some more pillows. I've definitely been on this pillow trip. and runners. So remember what I say, one charm pack can give you 3 pillows and a runner, and all you got to do is also get your backing. So as I said previously in the video, I will get to those videos for you guys. I just need you guys to be patient with me right now, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell of my matching pillows with their runners, and I will continue to bring you guys some videos on my different projects that I am working on, as well as the tutorials are coming. All right, family. So this is Esikhomesteddah. I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell, and I will see you guys back on the next video. Peace.